Lori here. Today we're going to be making a little centerpiece with some Dollar Tree little cute things they have out this year. I think they have some really cute stuff out, and I thought it would be fun to just make something really cute with some of the things. This is a super simple, easy project, and anybody can do it, so I thought, let's do it. So I got this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, from the new section of the Dollar Tree. This was $3, and it is super cute. It is foam, so we'll be able to decorate it and add some stuff into it. I'm going to start by taking out the little stem piece, and I have all kinds of cute little things to add in to this. So all we're going to do is just put some cute little arrangement in here. So I have some, just some leaves, some green leaves here. You could use the fall leaves. I have some cute little candy corns. These are so cute. I also have some just regular corn. I have orange mums and kind of a red mom. I also have this cute little pumpkin that has the same theme, right? So these all have the red, the oranges, so these are all going to coordinate together really well. And the great thing is that this is going to be what we just put everything in. So you'll be able to just stick it right in there. You're not going to have to add anything to it. So I'm going to start off by just kind of cutting everything off of the stems. I also push the leaves up to under the flowers. Okay. And we have some cute little pomegranate bush, also in the same colors. This is our little bit of yellow that we'll be able to add in. Okay, so once I have everything kind of cut, then I can start figuring out where I want to put things, and we'll start adding them in. For these, I'm going to, you could either put them on wire or you could put them on a skewer. So those are going to look super cute. I'm probably just going to put them on a little bit of floral wire that I have, so I'll kind of make a little place. Kind of glue that in. This is 18 gauge wire. This is also styrofoam. So it's really easy just to put a little bit of wire in there. Just kind of find a space in between. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to start with some of these mums. Okay. You should be able to push it right down in. If they're kind of crunching up, I'll kind of just roll them around in my hands to get them to kind of fluff back up. Okay. I'm kind of alternating my colors, but you certainly don't have to do that. And I don't have them all the same length, and that is okay too. We're going to have a lot of different things in this, so having the lengths vary is going to be fine. Okay. Like this. All right, now I still have a flower left, but we're going to wait on that. I want to take my greenery and I want to start kind of going in between. I want some up, so I'm going to have some kind of coming up like this. The ones that have the little two pieces. I'll kind of bend it over a little. Okay, so some kind of coming up in here. That. I want to put some kind of coming down like this. So I'll kind of put these in at an angle, kind of angled, so that they'll come down like this. Okay. I'm kind of bending this wire a little bit so that it is not hanging down too low. So you're really not going to see that. You could also put it up further in the center. It helps arrangements a lot if you have the greenery in there and if the greenery is not just all in one place. So in nature, it's not going to all grow in one way. Okay, so I'm going to cut these last ones and just kind of put them in. And down here at the bottom, like this. I am bending them over. That. There we go. Okay, so now you can see it looks like a regular flower arrangement. I still have my 2 flowers, so we're going to wait and see where we need to put these. I'm going to start putting in some of these little berries. And one thing you can do is push the leaves up, and then that provides some ground cover. So some cover so you don't really see the center. And I'm going to kind of put these in at different heights. Okay. There. These are so cute. I'm just pushing it right down. We are going to put some of this in. This cute little corn. Oh. There. That is so cute. Let's put some more of these cute little berries in. We can also put some berries in kind of on the sides. Like coming down from here, like that. So you can see I'm kind of putting them in here, like that. Okay, our single one right in here. That. Look how cute that is. You can put a flower in the center here. Let's start to fill in that center a little. Put our little candy corn in there. Oh, that's so cute. I don't know if I want to put the pumpkin in. Oh, that's cute. Let's leave that in. Okay. Look how cute that is. We've got 1 flower left. So, let's put that in here. There we go. See how super quick and simple this is? All right, we've got 2 more. Little corns. Let's see, I think I'd rather kind of put it up here. There. Yeah. I may not put that one in. I may just set that on the table next to it. Look how cute that is, and how quick was that? That was so quick and simple to do. Awesome. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. That was so fun. Look how cute that came out. See, all the way around it looks the same. It looks great. All Dollar Tree items, so you can see, even with the Dollar Tree items, you can really make it look nice. And just have fun with it. All right, y'all, make sure to subscribe and to hit that bell icon to know when we're going to be going live again or uploading content, because we're going to be doing that a lot. And make sure to come back for some of the other Dollar Tree projects that I have planned. They're going to be a lot of fun. All right, so I'll see y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.